So this is DSC 2021. Question number 12. I have AC is equal to 2, AB is root 3, BC is equal to 1. So what kind of a diagram will it make? Why is it a right angle triangle? Look at this. This is root 3, this is 1. So AC should be equal to root over Pythagoras theorem 3 plus 1 square, which is actually true. Root over 4 is 2. That is exactly why I got the hint that this is a right angle triangle because of the side lengths. Choose a random point P inside the triangle. Minimum distance from P to AC, AB, and BC. Minimum distance from P to AC, AB, and BC. Now, minimum distance, as all of you are aware, is nothing but the perpendicular distance. Okay. Now, what you do is you basically connect all the sides. What this will do is something very, very amazing. Okay. So if I connect all the sides like this, we need to now basically AC is D1. Okay. AB is D2 and BC is D3. I need to talk about 2D1 plus root 3D2 plus D3. Okay. Now consider the area of the triangle ABP. ABP. Okay. Triangle ABP plus triangle APC plus triangle BPC. So APB, APC, BPC. Okay. This basically constitutes the entire triangle ABC. So the area of the entire triangle ABC is nothing but the summation of three areas of these three triangles. Agreed? Now, what is the area of the triangle ABP? ABP half into base, which is AB, into the height, which is D2, plus APC half into the base into the height D1, plus BPC is half into base into D3, and that is equal to the area of the entire triangle ABC, which is half into perpendicular into base. Got it? Okay, so half basically cancels out from all pieces, and what I'll be left with, root 3D2 plus 2D1 plus D3 is equal to root 3. This is what we had to find out. 2D1 plus root 3D2 plus D3. What is that equal to? Root 3. Okay. It's a area of a triangle question. Right. This I put in the reasoning section because it's a very simple, basic area of a triangle question. Okay. So this is what I wanted to share with each of you. First thing,